Hello, my partner Emily and myself, Stephanie Mosquera. We are going to talk about the Pohang earthquake in South Korea. The earthquake occurred in 2017, measuring magnitude 5.4 on the Richter scale in the city of Pohang in South Korea on November 15, 2017, and it's considered on the most destructive ever recorded with an estimated $290 million in damage. Regional map showing location of the Pohang earthquake, the Jensen Fall, and the Abelspool Open Seismic Station. The earthquake that destroyed the city was triggered by an operation under the region's experimental geothermal power plant. The South Korean government's expert panel has concluded that all evidence leads to believe there was high pressure for injections into the rock, fracking the trigger the quake.
Gregory and Kim et al. Present seismic and geophysical evidence that might implicate the Pohang earthquake as an induced event. The combination of data from local seismometer network, wet cloud satellite observation, teleseismic waveform analysis, and stress model led to the ascent to the earthquake was probably or most certainly anthropogenic induced. The earthquake, along with several aftershocks, caused significant infrastructure damage in the southern port city of Pohang. At least 82 people were injured in the earthquake, including 15 people who were hospitalized. About 1,124 people stayed in temporary shelter after they had to leave their home. And finally, let's remember to be supportive when these types of events happen. And thank you very much for your attention.